Today, I'm diving into the world of futures trading to see if I can turn a small investment into a fortune using the secrets I uncover. Futures trading has always been shrouded in mystery, and for many, it's the holy grail of getting rich quick. The allure of making a fortune overnight is extremely tempting, but let's face it, many people who venture into futures trading end up burning their accounts and losing a small fortune instead of making one. What's the reason behind this? Well, for starters, most people lack a deep understanding of how futures work and the risks involved. They get caught up in the hype and hearsay surrounding futures trading, and before they know it, they're in over their heads. Another major misconception is that futures trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. I've seen countless ads promising unrealistic returns with minimal effort, but the truth is, futures trading requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. And let's not forget the emotional roller coaster that comes with trading. Fear, greed, and anxiety can be your worst enemies if you're not careful. New traders also struggle with managing their risk and expectation. They get caught up in the excitement of making a big profit and forget to set stop losses or adjust their position size. This is a recipe for disaster, and I've seen many traders blow their accounts because of this very reason. Moving on, what separates successful futures traders from the ones who fail? Well, it all comes down to having the right strategies, tools, and mindset. Successful traders understand the importance of market analysis, risk management, and self-discipline. They're not afraid to take calculated risks and adapt to changing market conditions. And most importantly, they know how to manage their emotions and stay focused on their goals. One powerful tool that successful traders use is the art of chart analysis. By studying charts and identifying patterns, they can make more informed trading decisions and increase their chances of success. Another key strategy is diversification, spreading your risk across multiple assets and markets to minimize losses and maximize gains. In terms of mindset, successful traders are humble, patient, and persistent. They're not afraid to admit when they're wrong and are willing to learn from their mistakes. They also understand the importance of staying disciplined and avoiding impulsive decisions based on emotions. Now, I want to reveal a powerful trading secret that can significantly enhance your trading success. Are you ready? It's the concept of mean reversion trading. This involves identifying assets that are undervalued or overvalued and betting on their return to their mean price. This strategy requires patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of market fundamentals, but the rewards can be substantial. Mean reversion trading is based on the idea that markets are inefficient and that prices can deviate significantly from their true value. By identifying these deviations, you can profit from the subsequent correction. For example, let's say you identify a stock that's been undervalued due to market sentiment. You could buy the stock, expecting it to revert to its mean price over time, earning you a tidy profit in the process. To make mean reversion trading work, you need to have a solid understanding of market fundamentals, technical analysis, and risk management. You also need to be patient and disciplined, as mean reversion trading can involve waiting for extended periods for the trade to materialize. Another key aspect of mean reversion trading is identifying the right assets to trade. This involves analyzing market data, news, and sentiment to identify undervalued or overvalued assets. You also need to have a solid risk management strategy in place, including stop losses and position sizing. In conclusion, futures trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a challenging and rewarding journey that requires dedication, hard work, and the right strategies. By understanding the secrets of successful traders, including chart analysis, diversification, thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with futures trading in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.